Hey guys, Kristie back here again with a Kristie's Quick Deals. This is a deal that you can do now, and I'm also going to further the deal and turn it into a 5 off 25 that you can do on Saturday. I put these deals out several times a week, just really quick, fast videos. Normally 1 or 2 deals, ones that you can watch really quick, take advantage of if you want to run to the store and do them. So let's get started with this one. Alrighty, and the first thing you want to grab is one of these Sparkle Pick a Size 6 double rolls equals 12 regular rolls. These are $7.50. You want to grab one of those. And the next thing you want to grab is the Pine Sol All-Purpose Multi-Surface Cleaner Lemon Fresh Scent, 28 ounces. These are $2. You need 4 of them. So this is the total of everything that you're going to put in your cart. This is what you need for this deal. First thing you're going to clip is the $1 Sparkle digital coupon from your Dollar General account. And also clip your 3 off 15 back to school digital coupon. Okay, now we are going to be using Ibotta in this deal. If you do not have an Ibotta account and want to use one, please, I will put the link in the comment section of this video. Please use my referral code. I would appreciate it. It'll help me out and help you out. Okay, so we will be doing the $2 Sparkle rebate and also the $1 Pine Sol rebate. This is on a 24 ounce or larger, which our product does qualify. We will be getting that back 4 times. Alrighty, and let's do the math on this. The subtotal for the 1 paper towels and 4 Pine Sol is $15.50. After the 3 off 15 back to school digital comes off, our total will be $12.50. Then after the $1 Sparkle digital coupon, we will pay $11.50 out of pocket. We will submit that receipt to Ibotta, get the $2 Ibotta rebate for the Sparkle, the $1 rebate times 4 for the Pine Sol, and our total out of pocket for this fine deal will be $5.50 for all 5 of those products. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take that same deal, very easily turn it into a 5 off 25, but do remember that Ibotta accounts and Dollar General digital coupon accounts do vary. So hopefully everyone has these Ibotta rebates and that they have the 3 off 15 and the $1 Sparkle coupon. Alrighty, this is super simple to turn into a 5 off 25, and it makes it a better deal for Saturday. Alrighty gang, so of course you're going to want to clip your Dollar General Saturday only 5 off 25. Now to do this deal, you're simply going to add 1 more Pine Sol and 1 more Sparkle paper towel. So what you will end up with is 2 of the 6 equals 12 Sparkle paper towels and 5 of the Pine Sol for $2 each. And you will need to clip your $1 Sparkle digital coupon for this deal. And of course, we will be using Ibotta again, but the cool thing is the limits on these rebates. The Sparkle is a limit of 2, the Pine Sol is a limit of 5, and we're going to max both of those rebates out. Alrighty, so let's do the math. We had the 2 paper towels at $7.50 each, and then we got 5 of the $2 Pine Sol. Our subtotal will be $25. After the 5 off 25, Saturday only digital comes off, our total will be $20. We have the $1 Sparkle digital, making that $19. And then we will pay $19 and then submit that receipt to Ibotta. We will be redeeming the Sparkle rebate, $2 rebate times 2, so that's $4 for the Sparkle. The $1 Pine Sol rebate times 5, so we will be getting $5 back for the Pine Sol, making our total amount that we will be rebated from Ibotta $9. So that will make an amazing deal of only $10 for 2 6-packs of paper towels and 5 of the Pine Sol. So I hope this video helped you. I hope this was useful. I did get several people asking this week for me to do a cleaner and paper product deal. So I threw this together for you. I hope you liked it. I hope it helps. If you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up. I sure do appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed and you've hit that little bell, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.